Hi, welcome to your major field test. Congratulations on making it this far in your business degree. You're about to take a national standardized business exam that hundreds of other college students will take at the end of their semesters as well this year. We wanted to explain a little bit of the process about what's going to happen in the next couple hours. You'll each take the exam independently on the computer in front of you. And it's a timed exam divided into 2 sections. You'll have an hour for each section that you'll be taking the exam. Most students have plenty of time to complete the sections within the hour allotted for each section. The first thing that's going to happen is you'll log into the machine and you'll be asked to enter some information about yourself. Name, some other important information. Please take a few minutes to complete that. That way we can attach the exam results to your information. You'll also have an opportunity to complete a brief tutorial that will explain to you how to move through the exam process. It's very self-explanatory. It's going to show you some ways that you can tag a question if you want to come back and look at that question again, if you have time at the end. We do suggest that you answer every question. There's no penalty for wrong reasons, so if you're not completely sure of the answer, at least choose the next best or the answer that you think is most likely to be right. Once you launch the actual exam, the timer will begin for section 1. And your time will be specific to you. In other words, we don't start everybody at the same time. So if it takes you a few minutes longer to go through the tutorial than the person next to you, you'll start the exam at your own pace. When you complete section 1, that's a good time to take a break. If you need to leave the room, go to the restroom, do something like that, do it then. Because your time for section 2 doesn't start until you actually launch section 2. So that way you're not running out of time on either section. You are not allowed to use any calculators, phone, any other electronic equipment. You have been provided a piece of scrap paper though, and if you need something to write with, that's fine. It may be helpful for you to just do some basic calculations on that scrap paper, and then you can hand the scrap paper in at the end. At the end of the exam, you'll have your score. You'll know exactly how you did. And if you wonder how that translates into a grade on your exam, just go back to your syllabus and take a look at that. The proctors in the room should be able to answer any other questions for you. Please do your best. Give this the best effort for us. Gives us great feedback and you great feedback on your ability to apply what you've learned in this business program. All right, that's it for now. I'll sign off. Let your proctors take over from here. Thanks and good luck.